Guys, the Mac Mini M5 is coming, and after checking the latest updates from Mac Rumors, it's clear that Apple is focusing more on performance and AI rather than redesign. The biggest upgrade will be the new M5 chip, which is expected to deliver noticeable improvements in CPU, GPU, and especially AI processing. And the Mac Mini is becoming one of the key devices for local AI workloads. However, exact performance numbers are still not officially confirmed. So most of these gains are based on leaks and expected improvements rather than final specifications. In terms of design, nothing is changing this year. After the major redesign in 2024, the Mac Mini M5 will continue with the same compact form factor and aluminum body. This confirms that Apple is prioritizing internal upgrades instead of visual changes. Memory and storage, however, are expected to improve. Reports suggest that 16 GB RAM could remain the base, while higher configurations may go up significantly. Base storage is also likely to increase to 512 GB, along with faster SSD speeds, making the device more capable for heavy workloads and multitasking. Connectivity is another area where upgrades are expected, but not fully confirmed. There are strong rumors of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support, along with Thunderbolt improvements, possibly Thunderbolt 4 on the standard model and Thunderbolt 5 on higher variants. At the same time, recent reports highlight supply constraints and high demand for Mac Mini models, especially due to growing interest in AI computing. Pricing is also changing. Reports suggest Apple may increase the base price to around $699, mainly because the base storage could move to 512 GB. Now, timing this is where things get slightly uncertain. Earlier leaks suggested a mid-2026 launch, possibly around WWDC, but newer reports indicate delays due to global RAM shortages. So the current expectation is a mid to late 2026 release window. The final verified verdict is that the Mac Mini M5 will be a solid performance upgrade with a strong focus on better storage and improved efficiency, but no design changes. It is being positioned as a powerful yet compact desktop for both everyday users and professionals. If you are upgrading from an older Mac Mini, this could be a major improvement. But if you already have a recent model, the upgrade may feel more incremental than revolutionary. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real videos.